I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, go, go. That's with the go away. I want more. I need more. Mommy, that's your food.
Hey, how you guys doing? I'm currently here to view a house. I don't know if it's empty. It looks like it was empty on the internet, but I just passed that place and it looks like a family is still occupying it. Oh my god. My hands feel so dry from too much washing. This cream was a lifesaver. So this is what it looks like, and it's from Lush. It came very handy during the winter, but now that we're doing a lot of hand washing, my hands really get dry. So this is what keeps it really moisturized, and it stays for a while. Okay, I think my agent is here. I need to start going down now. Alright, so if you walk into the house, you have the staircase up here, and here you have the downstairs loo, which is quite nice. It's actually very sizable. Oh my god, this is a good storage. Yeah. Very good storage. Okay, and there's a mirror here. Hello. Okay, so we're making straight to the kitchen. Wow, this is actually one of the best houses that I've seen since I started looking at houses. This is really good. I love the oak effect. Drawer thing. Here you have the fridge with a freezer, and over here is the utility. Oh my god, it has a tumble dryer. I can't wait to move to a house that has a tumble dryer. The house we are living in now doesn't have this, so I usually have to spread I'll close on the radiator or I'll have to go outside. Then there's the washing machine. 8 kg, that's bigger than what we have now. More storage. Then here is an exit to the backyard, I suppose. Okay. Okay. There's also a sizable storage. And here is the dining section, which is huge. This is the size of most sitting room that I've been viewing. And this is the sitting room. Okay. Let's see the garden. Wow. Okay. Then you have the storage over here. Let's go upstairs. So this is 4 bedrooms. You have the first room. I don't know why the houses don't have wardrobes, like built-in wardrobes. The second bedroom. I just wish this has built-in wardrobes. But I won't lie, these rooms are really sizable compared to UK houses. Okay, this is the master's. The master's has wardrobe. Me again. Okay, and this is the ensuite. So small. Okay. Seriously, by the time you put a king size bed here, there will be barely space for 2 couples to move around. Okay, let's check. The 4th bedroom, which will be perfect for an office, and it also has cabinet, wardrobe, comb cabinet that will be perfect for office. This is a very solid wardrobe, like the wood looks so rich. It also feels so rich. So this is the smallest bedroom. I don't even think this can take in any bed, so it's obviously an office. And then the family bathroom, which is this place. What do you have here? Oh, more storage. Oh my god, this house has a good amount of storage. This room looks like the biggest.
Mommy, raining.
Yeah, it's raining. Hello.
Mommy, rain.
Okay,
This
so
Mommy, rain. This not raining.
UK weather.
That's not water.
I just came back now and it was really hot and now it's raining.
The one is not safe.
Daddy said what is not safe. Yeah.
Daddy potato plant.
Oh, Daddy tomato plant. No, it's safe. The rain is good for the plants. It's gonna grow well. It's good for it.
Mama, not so big sunflower snake.
Yeah, Zuri, let me talk. Alright, so I'm about to end this vlog now. Not now, I'm about to make dinner. But after it, I think I'll just be ending the vlog now.
Mama, you smell nice.
Thank you. So I just wanted to do an outro. I'll see you all in my next video.
I don't know what I wished for. I wish for toast.
You wish for what?
For toast.
This time wish for. Blessed be your holy name. Blessed be your holy name. This time never see your time. This kind God, blessed be the holy name, be the holy name. This kind God, blessed be the holy name. Dinner is ready. So this is what we're having for dinner today with the crumb.